Children from the Ukrainian frontline towns and villages learn about recycling at the 4th EdCamp event in the city of Kharkiv. Artem from the Luhansk region says he enjoyed this class. It's a very important thing in our society. I've learnt a lot of interesting things which they don't teach us at school. Darina lives in a village in the Donetsk region. The war forced her family to leave their native town of Mariinka. Darina says the war has changed the way teachers treat students.
They started approaching everyone individually. There were children who were coming to our school from Mariinka, and they were treated with respect. What was important was that they went to school and they were fine. There could be no power in Mariinka, so they couldn't do their homework, but it wasn't a problem. Everyone understood the situation.
Meanwhile, according to Yulia, the teacher must, before all, be a friend and a psychologist. That way, it is easier to find a common language with children.
We're all in the same situation. We understand each other. We try to find touch points, so the format of our work has changed a little.
Classes often had to be suspended due to attacks by Russian-led militants. According to the United Nations Children's Fund, more than 740 schools in eastern Ukraine have been damaged or destroyed.
We repair schools with our foreign partners, and then they're shelled again, and it's a huge problem. We are forced to build a network of schools so that they would be outside the zone where buildings could be destroyed and children could be hurt.
Ukraine joined the EdCamp International Initiative in 2015.